welcome once again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Joy Be Naturals. My name is Joy. Thank you for joining me today and clicking onto today's video. I appreciate that. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and also watching my videos. Please kindly subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and also turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So today's video, I'm going to be making my hair growth oil. Like, I've been used to infusing my oils with herbs and all, but today's video I'm just going to be using some variety of oils to make an hair growth oil. So first on the list is pure almond oil. Pure almond oil, it's a very great oil. Like, it's used in most cosmetics, for skincare products and hair care products. So it's a very great oil. It penetrates really well into your skin, into your hair. It nourishes, it makes your skin look soft and kind of shiny. So I love it for my hair because it's also rich in biotin. Like, guys, it's rich in biotin and has other great benefits I'm going to be putting on your screen. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is my Jamaican black castor oil. Like, guys, if you're used to my channel, you know this is a staple. This is what I use. I mix it into my hair butter and every other thing. I love it so much. I'm going to be placing the benefits of these oils on your screen so that you can see what it actually is. And the next, I've been using this for a long time, olive oil. Like, everything I do, olive oil, olive oil, olive oil. I love it because it's a great penetrating oil. Yes, it penetrates better into my own hair, so that's just why I love it so much. This is also my olive oil, but this is infused with peppermint oil. And you guys know peppermint oil is the only essential oil that I use, and I love it so much. So I don't do any DIY without using my peppermint oil. So that is it, guys. So this year is one of those oils that I started using when I started my hair growth journey, which is 2 years ago. I just love that it has some curry leaves, neem leaves, and other leaves like that. So I love the smell. Yes, I love the smell. They also have a range of products like the shampoo. So I just, like to, have a feel of some things. And if I love it, I try to keep it. So that's just it, guys. So I'm going to be mixing them. Like, guys, I'm not measuring this. I'm just eyeballing it. So feel free to measure yours and do what quantity works for you. This is the quantity. I'm not doing much, just a little. And also feel free to play around with oils. You can use any oil of your choice. These are just what I have right now and what I know that I've been using. I've been using these oils. This is not my first time of using these oils, so I kind of know that they work for me. So I love this. And feel free to use what works for you. There are other varieties of oils that you can use. Just use what works best for you. So I'm just pouring the quantities that I want for this oil, but I'm using more of this pure almond oil. It makes my hair shiny, it makes my hair soft, so I'm using that as a base. So I'm adding my Jamaican black castor oil. Like, you guys know, this one is a staple for me any day, anytime. And it's a very thick oil, which can also be used as a sealant. Yes, you can use it as a sealant after moisturizing your hair. You can use it as a sealant, especially for the ends of your hair, to prevent it from drying out fast. So I'm just adding, I think, 3 to 4 cups full of this. It doesn't need to be much, just a little. I like to mix my oils, use them for a while and see how they do before I actually know, okay, if this is what I want to continue doing or using, and something like that. But then again, by all means, do what works for you. For this oil, I'm just going to put in a few drops in there. I just need the scent. The scent of this oil is amazing. Like, it's amazing. So I just put in a few drops there and just to cap it all up, because it still has olive oil in it. It has castor oil in it. It has almond oil in it. So it's like I'm just putting it in because of the neem leaf and the curry in it. And also this olive oil that I have my peppermint oil in it. So in case you don't see me adding any essential oil, is because I already have it in that oil. That's why I'm putting everything together. So this is it, guys. This is what I have for now. I'm not making much. Like I said, I like to mix my oils and just test it out, a couple of times to see if it's something that I want to continue using like that, or if there's something I'm reacting to that I need to stop using. But pretty much these oils, I've been using them for 2 years now, for over 2 years now, and I don't have any issue with any of these oils. Like, I hardly use new things, but whatever I use and I feel is good and I love it, my hair loves it, I try to keep it. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Feel free to do yours and use any oil of your choice. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video, and if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also turn on your post notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.